चतुर्भिः स्फटिकमणिमयीम् अक्षमालां दधाना हस्तेनैकेन पद्मं सितमपि च शुकं पुस्तकं चापरेण भासा कुन्देन्दुशङ्खस्फटिकमणिनिभा भासमाना असमाना सा मे वाग्देवतेयं निवसतु वदने सर्वदा सुप्रसन्ना नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयम् उदीरयेत्. On this auspicious day where we are celebrating Saraswati Puja, we are going to enjoy the relish of another wonderful Madhura Geetam glorifying our Saraswati Devi, graced by our beloved master, which is set to the tune Kalyani, Ragam, Kalyani. Kalyani means the one who is the repository of all auspiciousness. Not only that, the one who can spread and offer auspiciousness, Mangalam, Kalyanam, Shivam, to all those who worship her. And so, since Saraswati Devi is the true bestower of auspiciousness, without learning, what is possible? Without speaking, humans are not even humans. The greatest Mangalam bestowed, the greatest Kalyanam, which means Mangalam, auspiciousness, bestowed to all the humans is the power of speech. Na? Rest of the, other birds, etc., you listen, they can only make dhvani, but we can speak. There is vak, shabdam possible. That is the biggest auspiciousness bestowed, na? And that is the reason why possibly this song on Vani, which is about Vak Devi, is set to the tune Kalyani.
Vani namostute veena pani namostute 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 Vani namostute.
So our Swamiji starts with the Pallavi, Vani namostute, Veena pani namostute. Vani, the very Devi Swamini of Vak, my pranams to her. And the one who has Veena in her hands, Veena pani namostute. To that Saraswati Devi, I offer my prostrations, says our Sadguru Maharaj. And Saraswati Devi goes by many names. The most common name, especially in the poets of Tamil Nadu, is Vani. And she is Veena Pani. Of the three musical instruments, Veena is having the center stage there. The three Vedic musical instruments which are referred to even in our Vedas, so Puratanam, so divine, is flute, Murali, which our own Swami Thakurji has in his hands, and so is called Muralidhara. And then Veena, our Radharani, plays Manikya Veena Gana Rasike, as our Swamiji sings. And then third one is Mridangam, the percussion. One is the wind instrument, another one is a wire instrument, Tantu. And the third one is the percussion, skin instrument. Generally, all classes of musical instruments can be brought under these three major categories, using wind, string, and percussion. And our Veena is being held by the very goddess of learning, Vaikuntepi Mahalakshmi Kailase Parvati Sati Saraswati Satyaloke. That Radhika Devi's form, in form of Saraswati, who is the goddess of learning, is holding Veena in her hand. So our Swamiji says Namaskaram to our Vani Devi, who is also Veena Pani.
Chaturbhuja Rupini Chaturmukha Patni Chaturbhuja Rupini Chaturmukha Patni Chaturbeda Swarupini Chaturvarna Palini Chaturbeda Swarupini Chaturvarna Palini वाणी नमोस्तुते वीणा पाणि नमोस्तुते
In Anupallavi, our Swamiji talks about the four force, which is, she is actually Chaturbuja Rupini. As a Rupam, she is Chaturbujam. And as our Dhyana Shlokam goes, Dhorbihi Yuktaha Chaturbihi, four arms. Chaturbuja Rupini, Chaturmukha Patini, she is the consort of Chaturmukha Brahma, who is Chaturveda Swarupini. Her Rupam is Chaturbujam, her Swarupam is Chaturveda Swarupini. Rig, Yajur, Sama, Atharvana Veda Swarupini. And what does it do? She is the one who nourishes Chaturvarna Palini. Of all the various means of livelihood for us humans, there are four major ones. The first one is learning, research, etc., which is the learning part of it, and of course teaching part of it, the research part of it, and the transcendences part of it, the spiritual part of it. All of it comes under the first varna. The second varna is the capacity to rule, administer, polity, etc. And the third varna is business, agriculture, trade, manufacturing, etc. And the fourth varna is the varna of serving. There are four varnas, four occupations everywhere, four ways of work everywhere, and it is the learning. It is Saraswati Devi who actually protects and nourishes all these four varnas, isn't it? And so in our Anupallavi, our Swamiji says, she is Chaturbuja Rupini, Chaturmukha Patini, and Chaturveda Swarupini, and also she is Chaturvarna Palini. She protects and nourishes all the four occupations, isn't it?
Sakala Vidyadhara Swarupini, Sakala Vidyadhara Swarupini, Shuddha Shweta Vastradarini, Shuddha Shweta Vastradarini, Spatikamala Drita Narada Janani, Spatikamala Drita Narada Janani, Smita Murali Dara Vakilasini, Smita Murali Dara Vakilasini, Vani Namostute Veena Pani Namostute.
And then in Charanam, Sakala Vidya Adhara Swarupini, Adharam Sarva Vidyanam. She is actually the Adhara of all Vidyas. We are looking at the form of Saraswati. Let us look at the Shabdamaya Rupa of Saraswati. Our Saraswati also has another name called Gayatri, Savitri. All these are consorts of Brahma, isn't it? As Savitri, we all know the Gayatri mantra, which actually is Savitri. That Savitri Devi is the root of all Vedas. If you see the evolution of Vedas from Pranava, Bhu, Bhuvaha, Suvaha, Vyakritis, three Vyakritis it is called, and from there came the Gayatri mantra, which is Saraswati Swarupam. And from the Gayatri came the first mantras of four Vedas, and from there grew this entire big Vriksham, like a banyan tree with four giant branches, is our Veda Mata. So where does a Veda come? It came from the sprout called Savitri. And hence, Sakala Vidya Adhara Rupini. Since Veda is the Vidya Adharam, she is the Sakala Vidya Adhara Swarupini. If you look at the lovely form of our Saraswati Devi, she holds Spatika Mala in her hand. Shuddha Sveta Vastradharini. She is wearing pure white dress. Why? Because when learning has to be complete, learning basically necessitates the value of purity in thoughts, in words and in acts. Only then the learning can be complete. And so to show purity, we all associate white with purity. White is purity, white is sattvam. And unless we are very harmonious and sattvic, learning cannot be complete. Hence, our Saraswati Devi is wearing a sparkling white or Shuddha Sveta Vastra Dharini. Shuddha Sveta Vastra. Shuddha Sattva. The spiritual Vidya is possible only when we are rooted in Shuddha Sattvam. And our Saraswati Devi is wearing that Shuddha Sattvam. She is wearing the Shuddha Sveta, pure white. She is wearing pure white Vastram. She is, at times she holds a pure white lotus in her hand. And she is sitting on a pure white lotus itself. And at times her Vahanam is, in Marathi there is a song, Hamsavar ki basunu sharde mayurabar ki basu. Hamsa Vahanam, swan is pure white. At times she comes in peacock also. Peacock stands for zero lust. The minimum lust in birds, our Swamiji used to say, is peacock. That's why Kartikeya Swami has it. That's why peacock feather is worn by Bhagavan Sri Krishna. That's why at times our Saraswati Devi uses peacock as her Vahanam. Because without Kama, only then Vidya will flower. Without Kama, Prema will flower. Without Kama, Yoga will flower. That's why we have Vidya should not be tainted by Kama, desires, lust, etc. So she uses peacock at times as Vahanam, Saraswati Devi. And yoga cannot progress without absence of Kama. That's why Kartikeya Swami, the Shat Chakra Swarupa Kartikeya Swami has peacock as the Vahana. And our Bhagavan Sri Krishna, Prema Swarupa, Prema and Kama are opposites of each other. Where there is Kama, there is no Prema. Where there is Prema, there is no Kama. That's why he has taken a peacock feather and is celebrating it by adorning in his hair and tresses. And that's why our Saraswati Devi Sutta Sattvas Rupam. When you look at Saraswati Mata, you feel like folding your hands and falling at the mother's feet, isn't it? And that's why our Swamiji says that she is Sakala Vidya Adharam. Vidya is of three types. One is the proper learning, intellectual learning. She has it as her book, Pustakam Chaparena. And then comes the aesthetic learning of fine arts. There she has our Veena in her hands. And then comes the actual experiential learning, Japat Siddhi, Japat Siddhi. That's why she is holding a Spatika Mani Mala in her hands. Adhyatma Vidya, fine arts, which is the Vidya of music and all those wonderful Rasamaya Vidya, and the proper intellectual learning, Tattvam, etc. And our Saraswati Devi is the Swarupa of all the three. As an Upalakshanam, our Swamiji just takes Spatikama Drita Narada Janani. She is the mother of Narada. The youngest child of our Brahmaji and Saraswati Devi is Narada Maharshi. We owe Ramayanam, Mahabharatam, Bhagavad Gita, all Vidya to Narada Maharshi, because he inspired Valmiki Bhagavan to write Ramayanam. He inspired Vyasa Bhagavan to shower Bhagavatam. He inspired Bhagavan Sri Krishna to start from Vrindavana to do Karyam. And that's why we got all these Mahabharata, Yuddha, Gita, etc. Narada Maharshi has given us wonderful treasures for Kali Yuga. Why? Because he is the child of Vidya Mata, which is Saraswati Devi. And then our Swamiji's beautiful concluding line is Smita Murali Dhara Vak Vilasini. Our Swamiji is saying that the smile in my lips and the lovely nectarine words which flow from my Vak is all because of Saraswati Devi. Why? The joy in the heart becomes smile in the lips. And the clarity in the heart comes out as beautiful Madhuram, Sushtu, Mitam and Saram. Essence, the words have to be, having essence in it. It should not be, unnecessary things should not be spoken. So Saram. Sushtu means perfect, beautiful, and nice to listen to. And Mitam means not too loud, not too soft, and not too much words and not too little words. Mitam. And then Madhu, Madhuna Madhuram. And our Veda Mata herself says, talk with honey in your lips. Jikhva me madhumattama. And so, when there is Saraswati Devi smiling in the heart, our face also becomes bright, countenance becomes bright, like Basa, Kunda, Indu, Shanka, Spatika Manimaya. So that effulgence of our Saraswati Devi in our heart will translate into the effulgence in our face and smile in our lips. Our Swamiji says, a guru, na? Our Swamiji, Smita Muralidhara means, like in Dakshinamurti is the guru, na? Loka guru. So when you say Dakshinamurti, he means guru. In that he says, Swatma Ramam, Mudita Vadanam, Dakshinamurti Mide. Swatma Ramam. When there is this vidya, when there is this knowledge, when there is this experience of divinity in the heart, it translates a smile in your lips. So our Swamiji says, Smita Muralidhara Vakvilasam. The wonderful writings of our Swamiji, Mardura Murali in Tamil, English, Kannada and in Telugu, the lovely Madhura Geetams in so many languages, and the nectarine pravachanam, Madhura Vani of our Swamiji says everything is because of Vani. Vani Namostute. Radhe Radhe.